One of the first jobs we do in the bakery is weighing up. And the first job I physically do is get the flour. And I weigh up my flour first. This is probably one of the most important jobs. And as you can see, I'm just using a small scale because these days, I only do a small mix. A bit frustrating, really. And once I've weighed up the flour, then I start on the other ingredients. First off with the sugar. Then I'm using the mix for the buns. And we'll add the yeast into the buns. Now I'll move that out of the way. Right, now this is the fat for the rolls and the bread. Now we're doing the salt and improver. And now we put yeast in last.